congratulations, by the way, on your tie-up with Penguin and Audible. Why don't you tell us more about that?
Any company thrives on good partnerships, and yeah, the idea is to give access to as many authors as possible.
14 years की age में आपने first book लिखी थी, and cut to now you've written 20 books. That's massive.
I think I've become kind of worse along the way. See, every artist is very self-critical about their work. No artist will say, "Oh, I love my face."
True.
Because I think somewhere we are torturous souls at the end of the day. When I started, my writing was very non-systematic, I would say, completely unorganized. Oh, as a writing should never be taken as a job. It should be taken as a creative endeavor. तुम्हारे में कुछ है जो तुम कन्वे करना चाहते हो to a set number of people. And if they like you, they will buy your as thrillers. I love writing thrillers. I love writing cozy mysteries. I have such amazing religions around me. I have access to those religions.
इतना diverse है हमारे.
Yeah, and we live in a diverse country.
Right.
I would love to explore each and every aspect of them. I had written I don't want to say this, an obscure book called Unlocked at the age of 16. I don't want to talk about it. Get a good editor. I didn't realize the good value of that.
Yeah, I agree.
But there are books जहाँ पर इतनी grammatical mistakes हैं जो first draft में. I am someone जो मैं एक बार लिख देता हूँ किताब, I don't want to touch it again. And that's my writing habit. तुम marketing के through 7-8 हज़ार 9 हज़ार किताबें बेच दो. But beyond that.
Yeah, if you want to go
देखा तो ये on.
हाँ.
तभी आपकी 70-1 लाख कॉपी बिकी.
How do you think the publishing industry is tackling with this?
I think they're not tackling.
They are not.
Sure. I think they should. I'm a voracious reader. Every day I am not reading a book. I think I'm the worst guy to ask this because I indulge myself in these but I have a sense of responsibility towards my readers. My readers are waiting. एक साल होने आ रहा है. They'll get anxious. I might lose them. मेरे को तो hunger ही थी उस टाइम पे कि यार कुछ बड़ा करना है. मतलब वो hunger ही नहीं है तो फिर कैसे राइटर बनूं?
मैं जनपद घूम रही थी, कनॉट प्लेस जनपद, और ऐसे चलते पूछना भी नहीं, मैंने देखा, I saw your book, I was like, अब केविन सक्सेसफुल हुआ है.
I wanted to have that moment where I'm sitting in my car, एक पायरेट वो एक आते विंटर बोले कि यार प्लीज ये बुक लेना, तुमको कैसी बुक है? I was going the right, I didn't be a person दिया or something, और हमने एक किताब देखती गई यहाँ पर पायरेट है, तो मैंने बोला कैसी चल रही है? सब चल रही है. तो मैंने बोला कि पता है ना ऑथर में आप अच्छा ऑथर हो. He smiled at me. I smiled back at him. And that was it. Walkwood is a piracy. What I could call it. मेरी जो बॉक्स सेट है काल्की की, he was selling it at $1,400 when the MRP is $1,000. मैं बोलता मैं चीप में बेच रहा हूँ.
So राइटर का काम सिर्फ वही खत्म हो जाता है जब उसने किताब लिखी और वो गई पब्लिशिंग को.
I think see as a writer, what really your focus point should be is that you have to be an all-rounder. मतलब सक्सेस तुम्हें चॉइस नहीं देता कि कोई बात की देखो बहुत बोलना नहीं आता, कोई बात करनी सक्सेस मिल जाएगी नहीं भाई. सक्सेस के लिए you need to keep learning new things, adapting.
Be on the front line.
Be on the front line. I don't know how people make different goals. How are you so sure that how will world look like next week?
Yeah.
My journey has always been against Project.
And that's what we want to decode.
Yeah.
So you were going through all of this journey with a 1.5 साल था, उसमें कोई ऐसा moment आया जब you thought that probably I could be cheated here, probably I need to have more knowledge.
Oh. See, once the best part about writing and the worst part about writing is that you just need one hit project. Business is absolutely practical towards. तो उसको धंधा दे रहे हो वो तुम्हें पैसा दे. That's simple as that.
So, Kevin, you wear so many hats, but which one gives you most satisfaction?
I think most satisfaction is it's a mix. Somewhere as a writer, when I'm writing, I miss my office. When I'm in office, I miss my writing. So I think it's kind of like a very interesting relationship, which I don't have a definition to. Believe in the instincts and don't give.
Can a writer solely depend on writing as a full-time career when it comes to financials? Do you think AI is going to shift something in the writing industry?
Yes, of course. Definitely, content is gonna content writers are going to face a lot of challenge because copywriters are going to face a lot of challenge. I don't know how I do. I'll.
Can we talk about ghosts?
Okay, then someone is angry.
Hi, Kevin. Welcome to the show. Really happy to have you. And congratulations, by the way, on your tie-up with Penguin and Audible. Why don't you tell us more about that?
No, I think any company thrives on good partnerships, and I'm very actually obliged and very happy about the fact that companies as big as Penguin or Audible, which are global companies, at the end of the day, they have trusted in me to work with them.
Yeah.
We have very good synergy, we have very good partnership with their team members as well. And I think, the idea is to give access as many authors as possible. And that was the entire objective of them as well. And they thought the best partner is Abox to give that access.
Wow. Great. These are some long strides. So, Kevin, 14 years की age में आपने first book लिखी थी. And cut to now you've written 20 books. That's massive. So, like you say, 14 से लेके अभी तक की age में इतनी सारी books के साथ growth होती है एक author की. So, how did your writing evolve?
I think I become kind of worse along the way. But I think the primary thing I guess why because well, that's again see every artist is very self-critical about their no artist will say, oh, I love the love
True.
because I think somewhere we are torturous souls at the end of the day. But मैंने क्या किया था कि when I started, my writing was very non-systematic, I would say, completely unorganized, all over the place. But as I kept writing, it became more organized, more systematic, more powerful. But वो जो intuition थी ना कि एक instinct थी, वो थोड़ी सी die down हो गई थी. Because I became more organized with my writing. तो organized से क्या हुआ कि वो it was not a writer writing, it was more of a disciplinary writing.
So discipline had a role.
Discipline आ गया था, no doubt. जॉब पे तो नहीं रह रहा था.
अच्छा.
पर वो थोड़ा सा गलती हो जाती. वो as a writing should never be taken as a job. Should be taken as a creative endeavor.
That's an amazing point.
Yeah, जो तुमको see at the end of the writing है क्या? It's true that you have तुम्हारे में कुछ है जो तुम कन्वे करना चाहते हो to a set number of people. And if they like you, they will buy up, as simple as. So यही था कि मेरा वो intuition खत्म हो गई थी. It was more about अब वो intuition को वापस लेके आ रहा हूँ मैं my recent books. And that's why they've been performing well as well.
Yeah.
And now the next series that I'm coming out with, that's going to be very, very intuitively done.
Oh, wow.
And very strong. I think काफी scope है.
That's great. Great to know. But so you have also always been a mythology writer. तो कभी ऐसा आया कि मैं shift कर लूँ किसी और genre में? या I know for a fact that you also like suspense and thriller fiction.
I'm glad you remember.
I do. I remember all the facts about you.
So I think I love writing thrillers. I love writing cozy mysteries. I think where I kind of falter is the fact that क्या होता है कि जो publishers होते हैं ना, they want to capitalize on your audience. वो आपका audience क्या है? Mythology का audience. तो अगर आप लिखोगे thriller, तो आपको एक नया ऑडियंस ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा. वो अलग मेहनत है. हमें ब्रांड का थोड़ा सा वो हो जाता है. कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. ब्रांड कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. केविन मिसल का मैथोलॉजी लिखता था, ये तब से थ्रिलर लिखता. तो जैसे ही वो एक थॉट प्रोसेस आ जाता है ना, तो फिर वो लिमिटेशन क्रिएट हो जाती है मेरे. But that doesn't mean that I don't enjoy writing mythology. I love writing mythology even after so many years. Almost 10 साल होने आ रहे हैं अब लिखते. They love every aspect of mythology. The kind of culture that we have, the kind of history that we have. It's just fabulous.
Great. So there was this noise in the town, I remember way back, that, he's a Christian author. How is he writing mythology? There was all of this noise that was there. So what do you think? ये एक myth है?
So, where I feel personally is that whenever I'm writing, I grew up in a very secular house. So मेरा हर बार ये thought process रहा ही नहीं कि यार ये हिंदू धर्म के लिए ही है, Hinduism हिंदू धर्म के लिए ही है, Christian religion के लिए ही है, Muslims के लिए ही है. I never cared, to be honest. It was always like, oh, I have such amazing religions around me. I have access to those religions.
इतना डाइवर्स है हमारे.
And we live in a diverse country.
Right.
I would love to explore each and every aspect of them.
No makes
I have written Sinbad, for instance. It's based on, Islamic mythology. I had written I don't want to say this, an obscure book called Unlocked at the age of 16. I don't want to talk about it. Please don't ask me that question. But it's that's based on a Christian mythology. So I've written on different mythology, but people only remember me as Hindu mythology because those books are popular. So that's so I'm chilled out in that.
Great mindset, yeah.
किसी ने भी लिखे कोई दिक्कत नहीं. क्या पता डाउन द रोड बुद्धिज्म भी लिख रहा हो.
Great mindset. So, हमारे viewers, there could be, a lot of students or a lot of young people who want to be writers. So, why don't you take us on your journey, how you do it? What's your, do you plan it? पूरा organize होता है, plan होता है, structure होता है, या you are a free writer?
Well, I think obviously structure ही होता है, because as you grow as a writer, you have to structure yourself, and especially if you have a full-time job, if you have a family responsibilities, definitely structure करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को. You can't just be like instinctive.
Because limited time होता है.
Limited time होगा, exactly. So you have to make the best of that. But definitely again I come back to it. Intuition नहीं miss होना चाहिए. It's true. So one advice I would give to young viewers out there जो मतलब लिखना चाह रहे हैं and all, is that we get a good editor. I didn't realize the good value of that.
Yeah, I agree.
Till I met my editor, and मैंने थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन करी. मैंने बोला यार जो किताबें तूने मेरी एडिट करी है ना वो हर वक्त चली. And all the first drafts that I gave to my publishers, they edited it, but they were like, ठीक है, कहने के जैसे रोज का काम टाइप होता है. मैं लगाया दिमाग, दिल लगाया, तो get a good editor who understands your writing, and उसको बोलो करने के लिए.
Amazing. तो when you go to so traditional publishers तो देते हैं, but what about people who are getting it self-published?
Right?
Editor देते हैं.
क्या देते हैं? Saying see, everyone is on a payroll. Salary मिल रही है उनको सब पर काम करने के लिए. Half of them are FMLCs. So their foreign bosses are not looking at the kind of editorial things are going. You won't believe. There are books, I don't want to name a book, but there are books जहाँ पर इतनी grammatical mistakes है जो first draft में.
I'm sure. हाँ.
And my readers tell me, because I am someone जो मैं एक बार लिख देता हूँ किताब, I don't want to touch it again. And that's my writing habit. Because my first draft is usually 80% there. So 20% भी है ना, that's a game changer for a write. So that's why I made sure that my next series, I'm getting my old editor along. Long back, जो 8 साल पहले उसने edit करी थी किताबें. I got him back on the grade. I'm like, listen, we stopped editing.
Oh.
I got him back. I'm like, नहीं तू बैठ के काम कर अब, because I want to make this book popular. See, तुम marketing के through 7-8 हजार 9 हजार किताबें बेच दो, but beyond that,
yeah, if you want to go big,
on.
हाँ,
तभी आपकी 70-1 लाख कॉपी बिकी. दवाई नहीं बिकी, जितना भी ट्राई दोनों डालो, it doesn't matter.
So आजकल ये जो डिजिटल शिफ्ट आ गया है, अब इतना कम हो गया है टाइम स्पैन लोगों का, बाइट साइज कंटेंट अब लोग कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं. दे डोंट वांट स्पेंड सो मच टाइम ऑन बुक रीडिंग, लॉन्ग नॉवेल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. हाउ डू यू थिंक द पब्लिशिंग इंडस्ट्री इज टैकलिंग विद दिस?
I think they're not tackling.
हाँ, they are not.
Sure. I think they should. I think it's a very good point. I think we need to come up with bite-sized content.
Pocketbook.
I don't know if you remember, we did a pocketbook Insta Reads.
Yeah.
It was a long time back. So there was a thing called Insta. हमारा 30-40 पेजेस की बुक्स थी हमारी. So I think we need to bring back that size mark.
Right, like Metro Life है, आप मेट्रो में जा रहे हो, आपने एक कैदी कर ली.
Because for me also, I'm a voracious reader. Every day I am not reading a book. ये टाइप था, तुम किताबें पढ़ता था. आज मैं ये इतना exhausted होता हूँ mentally from my work, from writing, whatever. I just want like just watch some content which doesn't require a lot of my brain power. You know, हाँ मैं किताबें तो कब पढ़ूंगा जब मैं flights में हूँ. Because that time there's no distraction.
Yeah, no, and there's
I don't know, like I just focused on that one book. There's no friend of yours calling.
yeah.
क्या चल. There's no company which is irritating you. No anything.
Budding writers के लिए how do you deliberately move from these distractions? क्या तरीका है या क्या suggest करोगे आप?
I think I am the worst guy to ask this because I indulge myself in these.
How do you manage it then? Also, you're wearing so many hats.
I think see at the end of the day you just have to have the right support system around you that keeps telling you to come back to your
Yeah,
your
that's what I'm seeking.
yeah. So I have a great support system. That's the best part, you know. But it's also a sense of responsibility. You know, I have a sense of responsibility towards my readers. I don't. It's been almost a year.
They must be waiting.
Yeah, और मेरे दिमाग में रहता है. You know, I don't share it with anyone, but किसी ने खटकना होता है यार कि यार मेरे readers are waiting. एक साल होने आ रहा है. They'll get anxious. I might lose them.
You're getting anxious because they are.
Yeah.
They might be anxious.
So वो रहता है sense of responsibility. And वो मेरे लिए. Or someone who has written so many books. Or someone who has not written.
Hasn't really built to even be thinking about it.
यार भाई ये कि मतलब मेरे को तो हंगर ही थी उस टाइम पे कि यार कुछ बड़ा करना है. मतलब वो हंगर ही नहीं है तो फिर कैसे राइटर बन.
मुझे याद है.
कैसे भी कुछ भी बनोगे. I think that's the हंगर होना चाहिए मतलब.
That's true.
राइटिंग में सड़क पे लेके आ गया था. मैं दरिया की सड़कों पे घूमता था. Actually
इस पे भी आएंगे. I have a question on that also.
सर्विटर सुनता था हर रोज यार बुक पब्लिश कर दो. That's nonsense.
You've done.
Nama has started in 10th. I don't need anyone. And it allows me to actually now help the authors who committed to
on this journey.
चाहिए. दरिया के लिए मैं क्या आ जाए.
वही मतलब this is how your entrepreneurial journey also began. आएंगे इसके ऊपर भी. अब दरियागंज की बात कर रही है तो मैं बीच में एक स्लिप इन कर देती हूँ क्वेश्चन. सो मैं जनपद घूम रही थी, कनॉट प्लेस जनपद, और ऐसे चलते चलते पूछना भी नहीं, मैंने देखा, आई सॉ योर बुक, आई वाज लाइक आप केविन सक्सेसफुल हुआ है.
You saw my pirated books.
हाँ, and I loved it. So I was like
मैं गडीरी रोई थी.
हाँ तो ये एक प्लस है, ये एक माइनस है, बट द प्लस वाज लाइक आप केविन हो गया पॉपुलर, केविन की बुक्स आ गई हैं सड़क पर. It's so amazing, too good. But how did you feel? You felt like signing it? कभी urge आया कि ये भी sign कर डालता हूँ?
Yeah, I'll be very honest with you.
हाँ.
So thing is, I wanted to have that moment where I'm sitting in my car. एक pirate वो एक आते vendor बोले कि यार please and की book लेना, तो कैसी book है and book आया नहीं वो because I was going the right. I didn't be a पसंद दिया और सबने. और हमने किताब देखती भाई यहाँ पर फायदे थे. तो मैंने बोला कैसी चल रही. सर चल रही है. उन्होंने बोला कि पता है ना ऑथर आप अच्छा ऑथर हो. He just smiled and I smiled back at him. And that was it. Walkment is a piracy. What I could call it. But मैंने तो सुना है ज्यादा, देखा कम मैंने. क्योंकि I don't I'm very ashamed to say this, but I don't travel in metros. क्योंकि तो मेट्रो के नीचे usually
मैं भेजूंगी फोटोस, मैंने बहुत देखी अब.
So I get a lot of photos. Okay. एक बंदा तो मतलब I think मेरी जो बॉक्स सेट है काल्की की, he was selling it at $1,400 when the MRP is $1,000. मैं बोलता मैं cheap में बेच रहा हूँ. So that's the kind of I think that's reverse piracy. Like you're charging.
They are just great businessmen.
Yeah, I think that's great.
Okay, so Enid, like, when I was a kid, I was a die-hard fan of Enid Blyton. हाँ, exactly, right. So उसने लिखी थी 672 या 762 ऐसा कुछ नंबर था बुक्स का. And I was like, उसके लिए एक ना अफवाह चलती थी कि you know she has elves writing for her, she has some ghost writers writing for her. उस टाइम पे वो concept भी बहुत ही easy था. But you also have given what 20 novels, and I remember every time I would call a publisher, talking to someone from my writing industry and all, like Kevin is coming up with the next book. I'm like, bang on! How does Kevin do it, right? Average उसका I think एक साल में 2 books almost 2 books.
एक टाइम पे 3 I stopped myself. एक टाइम पे
Well, you must be giving breathing space for the
No,
book.
I was supposed to give a book. Was because I was like, officers will not accept the book. क्या फायदा? मान ले कि and plus then I realized that I was cannibalizing my own sales. तो मैं एक निकालता था, फिर मैंने एक और निकाल दी. रीडर के पास भी तो स्पेलिंग पावर उतना ही है ना. अब जैसे बैकग्राउंड, he is taking a book out after 10 years.
Okay.
So भी मैं सही भाई मैं अपने बैठ के मैं 1000 रुपये का खरीदूँ.
Background तो.
वही था. Clear. So basically, what the question is? Sorry,
So how do you manage it? मतलब 20 books, of course you've demystified this part कि नहीं वो सही नहीं है concept कि आप एक ही साल में 2 3 निकाल रहे हो. But वही you said कि सिर्फ discipline ही नहीं होता, you have to work on your intuition also. But then comes reader's block, or maybe even that is a myth. So what do you think about that part?
I think definitely what can really help you right now is that I don't know how I do. I'll
Did we talk about ghosts?
oh okay then someone is angry.
So I think writer's block happens for two reasons. One is the fact that we don't do enough research. Another is the reason that we don't try to work hard enough. We are kind of being lazy. So I don't do both. So the moment I see that, or there's not a lot of conflict. Sometimes ये भी होता है. कभी-कभी जब स्टोरी बिल्कुल धीरे-धीरे चल रही होती है ना, तो एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, लैक ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के चक्कर में वो बोलते यार थोड़ी बोरिंग चल रही है, छोड़ो. And then you also, because if as a writer you're not excited to write your own content, that means the content doesn't have that punch. अगर तुम्हें नहीं पसंद अपना बच्चा, तो दूसरे को पसंद करेंगे तुम्हारे बच्चे को.
So राइटर का काम सिर्फ वही खत्म हो जाता है जब उसने किताब लिखी और वो गई पब्लिशिंग को, या फिर मार्केटिंग और ये सब? हाउ डू यू थिंक दीज आर द वेपन्स व्हिच आर वेरी हेल्पफुल टुडे?
I think, see, as a writer, what really your focus point should be is that you have to be an all-rounder. You have to be a good speaker. I was a horrible speaker. मैं अभी तुमसे ऐसे बात कर पा रहा हूँ, मैं नहीं कर पाता था. So I know you can't believe it, but at one point when when I just started my Kalki journey, 21-20 में, I was 20 years का सब समय, मतलब 2021 में, तो I couldn't speak in the public. मैं फेस टू फेस ऐसी बात कर लेता था, तो समझ नहीं क्या बोलूँ, नर्वस हो रहा हूँ. अब I'm open about it. I have done 3-4 TEDx. I don't know, done more than 100 schools, so I'm pretty chilled out about that part. So you have to be an all-round, and you have to force yourself to be an all-round. ये कोई चॉइस नहीं तुमको दे रहा है कि मतलब सक्सेस तुम्हें चॉइस नहीं देता कि कोई बात नहीं, देखो बोलना नहीं आता, कोई बात तब भी सक्सेस मिल जाएगी. नहीं भाई, सक्सेस के लिए यू नीड टू कीप learning new things, adapting yourself, be on the front line, keep change. Like if I'm telling you, like my wife is tired of me when I keep saying this. At times I'm like, I'm getting bored, and she's like, how are you bored? You're relaxing at home. Like that's not good enough for me, because
you're always up and running.
Because I'm always wanting to learn something. I don't know, do a change, have some ideas. अगर मैं कुछ कर भी नहीं रहा, आइडिएशन भी चल रही है कि यार ये कर सकते हैं, ऐसे कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत बोरिंग है लाइफ. क्या करोगे तुम? पहाड़ों में बैठोगे, यू नो? हाँ, चिल करने चलते. तुम इसलिए चिल करने जाते बिकॉज यू आर ऑलरेडी एग्जॉस्टेड ना. आई एम नॉट एग्जॉस्टेड, आई एम ऑलवेज एंटरटेन्ड.
ऑल्सो आई थिंक वो जो हर एक की लाइफ में गोल्स का जो मीनिंग है ना, वो बड़ा डिफरेंट है. सो वो उसके पैरामीटर्स भी अलग है. So really, we can't really say, but with like-minded people, I think it's a whole new energy.
Yeah. I think my goal per se, to be honest, has never been definite. I don't know how people make definite goals. How are you so sure that how will world look like next day? कैसे पता आपको? आपने पूरा बनाया हुआ 5-year plan. What if it collapses the next day?
And it just might.
Do you have a plan B to that? That's the thing, no?
Sorry, I'm giving you existential crisis.
No, it's perfect. अच्छा केविन, एक और बहुत important, understanding है जो viewers might want to gain, which is around demystifying economics behind all of this. So what does investment from the writer looks like? you know, what does an output could look like? कौन सी ऐसी moment था जब break even point आया था in your life also? And you can mention anecdotes and examples from your life because it's a whole full graph for you. So around the finances. So this is what I want to understand. And
So
then how the royalty
I'll
also
talk. I'll
works.
talk about my first book.
Hmm.
And then I talk about a writer who has been published by us.
Hmm.
So what happened with me was that we had put in, I think, around. So I came up with this book called Kariki, and we did we did around 6,000 copies, which launched it was around 5 lakh rupees something. फिर हमने मार्केटिंग करके 3-4 लाख और डाल दिए थे तो मोटा मिसटेनिस खर्चे मिला के सब कुछ 15 लाख का वही we had put it. And we had zero idea how we were going to make that.
So this was just first book or all
This
three?
is just first book.
Oh wow.
15 years was just first book. We had to sell a car. We took a loan. Personal loan लिया था. My father at that time. And we had no idea. And Touchwood, I don't know for what reason, it could be the cover. I was trying to
Definitely the cover. It was such an attractive cover at that time.
and you won't believe how much we spent for that. Around 70,000 plus GST. So कुछ टाइम पे GST था भी नहीं था, I don't even remember. But
And this was in 2016.
2016 2017.
Yeah.
So उस टाइम पे 70,000 रुपए कवर का देने का मतलब it didn't make any logical sense. See again, my journey has always been against logic. अगर वो
And that's what we want to decode.
yeah, मतलब I wish I could decode myself. But thing was कि वो 6,000 कॉपी जो हमने प्रिंट कराई थी वो पिपी एक महीने एंड वी वर वेरी कंफ्यूज कि अब क्या करें तो एक बार लोन नहीं ले सकते. अच्छा पेमेंट साइकिल क्या होता है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर से 6 महीने का हमारी 1 महीने बिल रही तो 5 महीने तो बचे. अच्छा तुम्हें और प्रिंट करानी पड़ेगी किताब को. अब तुम कंफ्यूज हो क्या करें. तो उस टाइम पे टचवुड समवन केक एंड ऑफर्ड मी एन एडवांस एंड एवरीथिंग कि यार किताब पूरी 6,000 रुपए की ब्रेक में है एंड विल बाय इट. वो 6,000 रुपए पैसा मेरे को उससे बिकॉज वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर जो था वही पब्लिशर था ही बॉट द बुक एंड ही गेव मी दैट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वाला पैसा इन 1 मंथ ओनली.
Oh, massive.
बट सब बड़े रिक्वेस्ट करनी पड़ी सब दे दो. सो द आइडिया वाज कि आई मेड अप दैट मनी द 15L and I gave it to my father. Probably I think 1.5 years of the journey, I guess.
Wow.
And then उसके बाद तो it's all profits for me. Honestly, पहले का
So एक regular royalty है जो आ रही है.
royalty है, audio rights होते हैं, translation rights होती है, film rights होती है, गान उठा रखते rights. एक किताब का ना आपके IP का इतने सारे rights होते हैं ना. वो अगर आप exploit करने लग जाओ,
Wow. A lot of people, I'm so sure, don't even know it.
they don't know. Unfortunately, and that's what you can try to explain it.
Yeah, that would be so amazing.
Like, you won't believe ऑडियो में ही ऑडियो राइट्स तो है ही एंड ऑडियो अडेप्टेशन राइट्स भी. अब आप किसी पब्लिशर को ऑडियो बेच दोगे बाद में ऑडियो अडेप्टेशन राइट्स का आपको ऑफर आया आप नए पब्लिशर के पास पब्लिशर बोलते वो भी मेरे पास है क्या करोगे यार तो आप बेचे ऑडियो राइट्स है. So this is the lack of knowledge, the lack of experience that a lot of writers don't have. And
So if you were going through all of this journey with a 1.5 साल था उसमें कोई ऐसा moment आया जब you thought that probably I could be cheated here, probably I need to have more knowledge.
oh, lot of vendors came, lot of marketing agencies came, lot of publishing companies came. Lot of cheated. But I would call it cheated to be honest. It's very
On the verge of.
No, word नहीं. I think cheated was the right word.
Okay.
Again, okay. Word cheated is a word where basically किसी ने आपको कुछ promise किया है
और deliver नहीं किया.
वो deliver नहीं.
Okay, but these were just bad promises.
हाँ, वो deliver किया है.
अच्छा.
आपकी expectation से भी बैठा वो गलत. वो मेरे expectation को बहुत ही आए बुक को लेके. तो इसलिए मैंने फिर उस टाइम से मेरी expectation भी लो हो गई जिंदगी. जब expectation वो ज़रा रखते ही इससे वो कुछ.
But ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब traditional publishers हो गए या new publishers हो गए, they don't tell you everything or they sort of kind of hide stuff which the writers are not able to explore.
नहीं.
या transparency है.
They will want to hide this.
Okay.
If you ask them, they will tell.
Oh.
If you don't ask them, then it's your goofy. As simple as.
So how do a writer learn this art, कि negotiation कैसे रहना है?
Through experience. यहाँ पर कोई formula नहीं है. और through facts. तुमने मेरे से बात कर ली,
हाँ,
मैंने तुमसे बात कर ली, मैंने तुम्हारे एक्सपीरियंस से जान लिया, मैं मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से जान लिया। जैसे तुम मेरे से समझ रही हो कि अरे ऑडियो भी है, ये भी है, वो भी है। को नहीं पता था उस टाइम से पहले
ट्रू,
फेसबुक पे। सो ये एक्सपीरियंस ही जानते हो,
गॉट इट।
बट तभी तुम गलती कर, वो जर्नी है ना।
हाँ, और वो लेनी जरूरी भी है मुझे लगता है। Great. So, again, coming on the financial breakthrough part, कब वो आया ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट? एक तो ये आया काल्की के टाइम पे, और कोई ऐसी बुक व्हेन यू थॉट दैट नाउ इट्स गॉन आउट ऑफ द रूफ एंड
उसके बाद तो फिर पैसे ही कमाए ना, फिर क्या ब्रेक इवन
अच्छा।
आया।
सो बिकॉज एक बार वो बन गया
15 लाख एक बार हो गए स्पेंड, उसके बाद तो फिर आई जस्ट मेड मनी
थ्रू एवरी बुक।
तो एवरी फिर तो कोई खर्चा ही नहीं था ना मेरा। See, once the best part about writing and the worst part about writing is that you just need one hit project. If you have one hit project, then you're sorted.
हाँ, हाँ,
If you have a series of bad projects, even then, if you have one hit, line this up. And then how do you capitalize on it? Like for instance, I had a very good relationship with Audible. You know, it makes me work with them in such different capacity. They make me write different little books
Oh,
as originals.
oh,
Same with my publishing house, which I write for with Stingaway, which is headed by the same distributor who took up Yambal on Kalki.
yeah.
They allow me to write interesting books. Now,
Wow.
so
So it's a close relationship now.
relationship होना जरूरी है,
हाँ.
दोस्ती होनी जरूरी है. So that
So genre कभी भी शिफ्ट नहीं हुआ लेकिन तब भी.
genre है.
हाँ.
वो इतनी अच्छी दोस्ती.
Okay, so ये वाला जो segment था, Kevin, this was around your authorship, and one piece of advice do you want to give to budding authors and writers? In fact, there's another question I forgot to ask. It's very important, and a lot of students write to me when I go on the school visits and all. So they want to publish books, and you publish your book at the age of 14. Now, this is my personal take. I tell a student that, complete your journey first, learn the craft, and then dive into it. But what's your take? If a student comes to you, wants to publish their book,
See, everyone would have a different advice to it. My advice would be dive into it, go through the process, make mistakes. Because if you will not make mistakes, you will never be able to.
yeah, and probably sooner the better.
Yeah, and sooner the better.
Yeah.
Because the idea is, जंग होते हो ज़्यादा एनर्जी होती है, तबीयतें ज़्यादा कम खराब होती है. वरना तो पता चलने लग जाता है. I'm turning 29 next month.
I'm not telling you my age, in case. Okay, great. So, and one last piece of advice to the budding writers.
Last piece of advice would be is to read a lot first. And I think not just read a lot, consume a lot of content. Nothing good one. Even if I'm watching through my phone, I know reading has become I won't call it a dying art, it's become a difficult art. Continue. So consume that content through different needs. Why not? Because there's a lot of content on Instagram if you follow the right pages.
If you follow the pages, right?
I follow a lot of historical pages which talks about different historical figures.
Just like your research kind of a thing.
Yeah, so research automatically was
Update होता रहता है. हाँ.
So content is all around you. You just have to kind of not watch reality shows and focus more on
what you want to build.
what you want to build.
So when it comes to wanting to build, अब Hubhawks की story or your entrepreneurial journeys पे start करते हैं. How do you think? So you always build what was missing when you were looking for things, what you needed. So how was Hubhawks built? क्या कमी थी, क्या कि authorship journey के अंदर लगा कि ये मैं खुद ही complete कर लेता हूँ?
I think the most important thing was that writers didn't have access.
हाँ.
Sure, यही था कि अगर मेरे पास knowledge है, even experience है, if a writer हम story आके है, it started with that basic question, and what I realized was, basically 4 years ago, was that there were a lot of offers who are looking for that, and I'm very glad to say that we, kind of have had more than 1,000 plus offers now. So more than that.
Wow. All over India.
All over India and even global for that matter.
Oh. Wonderful.
You don't have a global office and everything. The idea is that we
अब तो सब ऑनलाइन है.
directly reach out to us. So you know,
Great.
so that was the marketing agency was the easiest way to do because
Hmm.
Havox was initially a marketing agency, and
Now they're also growing now. Havox is.
yeah, but now it's everything. Havox.
So this is how your. In fact, New Voice is also a part, no?
When we are publishing.
Ah. So यही से वो पेंगुइन का जो टाई अप आया ऑडिबल का आया.
Penguin rather was India.
Okay.
Yeah, Penguin is distributing our books. All of us. They don't select your publishers like Nansari Petani Publishing. No. I'm very glad that they did. We very misty. Shout out.
Yeah. So Havox happened. What was the stepping stone? सबसे पहले क्या build किया? Team build करी. सबसे पहले you identified the right people. सबसे पहले you got seeding investors. What was the 0 to 1 journey?
0 to 1 journey. ये सबसे पहले office space देखा था.
अच्छा.
Because I was doing it during my birthday. So I still remember
A birthday gift to yourself.
NP के birthday पे बस कोविड का टाइम था. वैसे ही कहीं बाहर पार्टी वार्टी तो. So I'm like चलो office space देखे चले जाते हैं. We went and we saw WeWork at that time.
अच्छा.
And that was the first thing I did was office space because for some reason I wanted to be with my team.
हाँ.
I thought कि location makes a lot of sense to have a good location. Team थी interview शुरू कर दी थी मैंने.
अच्छा. Simultaneously.
I took 2 people in the building.
Okay.
One was a graphic designer, another was a populator. Because marketing थी, so
कोई माने ना माने content की journey यही से शुरू होती है.
yes, content was Deva.
Yeah.
Because I knew that I'm good at strategizing, but my content, other than my books, was not that strong. So I wanted someone who was smart with ad copies, smart marketing ideas along with me, to kind of be like a soundboard too. So that's how I started, and then I added. पहला महीने तो I got too excited because I realized अरे इतना business आप. No. And I ended up hiring 7-8 people.
Okay.
Straight away.
Okay. This was
Actually, it was the first month of the business.
post COVID है.
Yeah, no. COVID.
COVID के. Oh wow.
We reached 2020. 2020 when we were not even a private equity company, we were a proprietorship.
हाँ.
This is the 9000 पे बनती है.
हाँ. मैं ऐसे ही शुरू करता हूँ. हाँ, so relative भी नहीं है ये.
And उसपे we started at that time, and I think around 7-8 लोग मेरे पहले महीने में आए पहले के. दूसरे महीने में business drop होने लगा. So तीसरे महीने में लोगों को निकालना.
So that was one learning.
That was a huge learning that don't make mistake of over hiring. I know that any business when you start, हर वक्त spike होता है. Especially if you have a brand as an individual. Rushdie, everyone knows, you're a marketing guru and stuff like that. So you will get clients in the first, for sure. But how do you sustain that and then scale it? That's the challenge. तो वो जो तीसरे महीने तक आया, मैं तो डर गया. मुझे यार ये तो गलत है. तो ये कैसा बिजनेस है? जितने तो लोग जा रहे हैं, you know?
बहुत अमेजिंग पॉइंट है ये यार.
मैं लेता था प्रोजेक्ट्स. तो आई प्रोजेक्ट खत्म आपकी. So मैं तो काम करके आ रहा हूँ. I have serviced that. So and that's also a call of being a good person.
Yeah.
You end up helping people, then they can help the lead.
I think वो business के लिए भी थोड़ा tricky हो जाता था.
But so that's why I realized कि I have to grow slowly. तो फिर मैं 7-8 लोगों से फिर मैं वापस 3-4 पे आया. 4 पे आया. फिर धीरे-धीरे करके 6 करे, 8 करे, 10 करे. And then it so ऐसा.
So slow and steady, and then you
and
keep
steady.
your pace also observant. Got it.
तो पीछे पैसे नहीं बन रहे थे. तो मुझे लगा कि यार पैसे नहीं बन रहे, क्या फायदा कर लेगा बिजनेस. तो फिर मॉडल चेंज कर दिया. हाँ मैंने गलती कर दी. I got
अच्छा.
focused.
Okay.
I left books. I went into overall marketing.
Oh,
वहाँ मैं
common marketing agency.
horrible mistake बिल्कुल.
हाँ, वो कहते हैं अपना niche पकड़ के रखना था.
था मैं वही जो मेरा strength था वही छोड़ दिया मैंने. But then again I went back to it. I was like नहीं.
तो ये कितने time में you went back? How quick did you realize?
Yeah. So the one thing again, another advice. My advice is I'm just screwing it out.
Awesome है ये तो.
That keep changing.
अच्छा
Because
एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन
पूरा जर्नी बता रहा हूँ within a span of 3-4 months है. अब लोग क्या करते हैं, they don't change all time.
हाँ तो गया
लोग तुम्हारे business गया. See, business is never it's never unforgivable thing. वो तुम्हारे से कोई तुम्हारी तरफ कुछ भी वो नहीं. There's no emotion towards business is absolutely practical towards. तो उसको धंधा दे रहे हो, वो तुम्हें पैसा दे. That's simple as that. That's the relationship you have with business. The moment you will add emotions into it, add a little bit of tarka into it, gaya karo. Right. So, but I made so many fast decisions that I was able to rectify most of my mistakes. तो जैसे ही मैंने defocus हुआ, वापस मैं focus में आ गया. And that happened within a month's time. I started bringing in clients. फिर मेरे को लगा यार vertical expansion करते हैं. And that is when my company वो जहाँ वैसे I added publishing, I added written feature.
होलिस्टिक सर्विसेज स्टार्ट करी इधर
Yeah, then I realized that like there I'm able to now obviously help the author push it forward, and at the same time I'm able to now kind of like have a backup for every
हाँ
division.
so you're going deeper and deeper in your own business and I think this is a great thing.
It's not grown already. Now I have to just keep mounting it up with as much as performance marketing, as much as depth into it. That was
Amazing. So investors are also there now.
yeah. So because the idea was when you make these mistakes, you end up having an instance. Because again, as I said, it's unforgiving. So there have been times when my bank account is zero. So I'm like, यार ये कैसे करने वाला? उस टाइम पे by chance an investor would come and would be like, hey, I'll put in X amount of money, and it's at the end of the day you have to do everything for the business. So you have to take that one. So you have no choice, or you can kind of give up and move on. So that another business of mine, we just shut it down 2 years back. It didn't do well because for whatever reason, it ran for 2 years, 2.5 years. It didn't run because we made all the mistakes that a startup should do. So वही है, investors ही लेते उसको self से, इसको नहीं ले गए.
Okay, so that's how you. So, how does your typical week looks like then? Because you're wearing so many hats, and we're going to talk about the cafe also. Cafe is also another investment, another baby of yours, and it's a beautiful one, by the way. Really love that, the lighting, everything.
So your question was
Typical week of yours, especially when you're wearing so many hats.
So some weeks are really nice.
Acha.
Obviously, there's a lot of people, a lot of anxiety.
Oh.
I think that comes.
And even the.
I think I have a lovely relationship.
वो मैं अपने लिए बोलती हूँ, I thrive in chaos. So I think it holds for you also.
I'd say so. Like this week is like our interview. Kal I have a meeting with a very reputed platform. Perso I have another meeting with another reputed platform. Then I'm leaving for Bombay. Then I'm coming back. Then I have. So it's like
You're always on the go.
I'm always on the go. Yeah.
So, but multiple चीजें, इनके figures, इनके all of this churning. How do you take care of all the data? And then you have to.
It's very tough, and that's why I think what I do is I focus only on the core parts. Like ये याद रखना, बाकी सब ठीक है. I have a team who will remind. कि यार आप ये भूल गए, आप वो भूल गए. I forget things. I forget.
But that's why you have team.
और चीजें हैं तो मतलब ये तो रखनी याद है, ये करना ही करना सफ्ते हो गए. फिर बाकी जो नॉन कोर चीजें वो ठीक है, वो टीम याद दिला. And अगर याद भी नहीं आया तब भी like next week है to figure it. So yeah. So next week शायद से वो चीज कोर बन जाए जो मैं भूल गई पिछला.
Nice. Okay. So coming to the cafe now, how was this? तो मैं मतलब हम लोग जब छोटे होते थे, हम लोग ऐसे ही सोचते थे ना, गोवा जाएंगे, वहाँ पे अपना कैफे खोलेंगे, बुक कैफे होगा. You're literally living that dream, but here in Gurgaon, which is way better, by the way. But how did it come up? You thought this only कि अब ठीक है, books है तो coffee भी होनी चाहिए.
It fit with my overall holistic plan.
Okay.
I wanted to add detail in it. Obviously, there's an emotional aspect to it as well.
Okay.
which is that जब मैं बुक स्टोर्स में जाता था कि
साइनिंग करने.
साइनिंग नहीं मैं रखने जाता था किताब अभी
Okay.
my the bookstores would reject saying that कि यहाँ के काम नहीं रख साउथ में क्या दिन भर बड़ा होगा ना मैं एक सारा कैफे खोलूंगा जो या बुक स्टोर खोलूंगा जहाँ I will allow every book if an author comes and says I want to keep my book do it and we have that policy so any author who comes
Okay.
they keep it book
Oh, such a fantastic thought.
so yeah so we you see there are bestsellers here but there are also books which are
But newbies हैं जो debut authors
or
हैं.
you know obviously नहीं बिके 3 महीने तक रिटर्न था but at least they have that opportunity लोग को opportunity वही थी जब मैं
So you're more open
yeah
to
accessible
yeah.
I would say
Yeah.
so I think that's the world we are entering right that you're entering a more accessible more open minded movie वो there what I
हाँ, वो traditional book, हाँ. Closed mindset. I remember how much we've run during your Kalki times and my first book came in. Oh my God. That people had a closed mindset. People who were seasoned in the industry didn't want to give chance to new people. हाँ. Yeah. Gatekeepers बने हुए थे literally.
का फिगर जान दिया है लास्ट के 4 महीने के 4 साल में सॉरी सही 8 साल में
हाँ. 10 years हो गए.
so many of them are people bestsellers
Yeah.
yeah
Yes.
so they I can name people also I don't know
Great. So, again, coming back to the cafe, this concept, this idea was yours, but the entire conceptualization and bringing it up. And I remember you had given over to your wife who did all of it. So, you want to talk more on that?
Hey, sound better. Yeah, did she bribe you or something? Huh? No, I think definitely it was very direct with effort, and obviously what Kiran did bring, my wife Kiran and other people, she brought a sense of creativity and let's say openness to that idea.
Yes.
Because I'm not a very architecturally strong person, I would say. मैं तो किताब यार रख दूँ उसको ऐसे लगा तो बस that's about it. But so she brought that aspect, so definitely kudos to that. I think she also has this complaint where basically over a span of 2-3 years of हमारे third year चल रहा है, third year आ जाएगा हमारा. She realized that Kevin has really wears so many hats. She started with a graphic designer. She ended up being a rubber designer. Then she became a space designer. Then she became an exhibition designer. And I think now she's entering into painting. वो 2-3 साल में इतना मैंने Kevin के साथ सीखी है.
So, she has a great creative only. Okay. You shifting and putting yourself even there.
I'm big super. I'm the narcissism.
So, last question. I know your future plans. 2 books you're writing. No, 3 books you're writing now simultaneously. You've already told about the books. But when it comes to writing book versus being a cafe owner versus founding a whole new marketing agency, in fact, the whole entire holistic thing that you are providing to authors, which part do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy both. I think it's very tough. Like
और मेरे सारे बच्चे बराबर है.
uh,
So, given you wear so many hats, but which one gives you most satisfaction?
I think most satisfaction and it's a mix. Somewhere as a writer, when I'm writing, I miss my office. When I'm in office, I miss my writing. So I think it's kind of like a very interesting relationship, which I don't have a, like a definition. So I enjoy both. I would say.
Okay, great. Again, last question now. Any message for upcoming entrepreneurs or who are aspiring to be one, or trying to open up their own business, even it's tier 2, tier 3?
I would say that, and it's a tough advice because as a writer, मेरे को की आदत हो गई है ना, तो PR trade उसको मैं. But I'm not really taken a. I think what I would say is that believe in the instincts and don't give.
Simple yet powerful.
अगर गिव अप करते तुम तो क्या ऐसे ही है जब तक एटलीस्ट तुम कुछ
लगे हो
लगेगा कुछ का कुछ तो आ ही जाएगा, कीप इटिंग.
Yeah, I think very powerful thing. 3-4 महीने में you change so many strategies to find the right one and then give up.
या मैं वहां पर गिव अप करता था, कभी बदल जाता. आज यू आर नॉट बी सिटिंग इन माय, आई वुड हैव बीन
Yeah.
player, no doubt. I would
Yes.
was a
Yeah, successful writer.
successful writer, but like as an entrepreneur you can't give up. जैसे अगर तूने गिव अप कुछ दिन कर दिया तो फिर थोड़ा सा भी चांस था ना वो भी चले.
Even one very important question to miss हो गया. We can plant it somewhere. So one very important question is that can a writer solely depend on writing as a full-time career when it comes to financials?
Absolutely, yeah. I still am.
Yeah.
It's been what 8 years. I don't earn from my property, so absolutely sure. The idea is you have to be prolific, right? Something like how James Patterson is, how Stephen King is. India में अगर देख लो how Ruja Dutta is, how Akshay Gupta is.
Yeah.
मेरे.
Yeah.
So you have to be a prolific. You have to come out with a book every week. If you miss out years,
You miss out on
miss out.
your
ये नहीं हो सकता कि एक किताब will be I've written my Pulitzer Prize winning. Oh my God.
keep doing it like it matters.
Or everyone is like Harper Lee, who has written one book in 50 years and
Yeah. Or J.K. Rowling just first one and
नहीं but उससे भी तो फिर every year
हाँ every year पूरी series निकाल.
सही दिखा है पूरा उसने complete किया, अभी भी लिख रही है. She did Robert Galbraith's
Yeah.
the entire detective series. I think it's good. Pachim, so we used to read, she's converted the book. And that's one book is around 1,000 pages. She's a very prolific writer.
How many pages do you write in what span of time?
I write around 400 pages in a span of 15-20 days, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, 1 week sometimes, right? Mix it. Depends.
So वो एक बुक कितने दिन में हो जाती है? I think 6 weeks, 8 weeks.
अगर आप आइडिएशन को भी लेके चलो 2 महीने 3 महीने लेके चलो.
Okay.
आइडिएशन में टाइम लगता है.
हाँ main ideation है.
आइडिएशन है.
Yeah.
With typing तो अब
हाँ.
something like I'm as fast as AI.
Oh, do you think AI is gonna shift something in the writing industry?
Of course, it's gonna make things more focused.
Oh.
I think AI is to be used as a friend, not as an enemy.
Yeah.
I would say.
Yeah. That's a great point.
Yes, definitely. Content is gonna content writers are gonna face a lot of challenge because copywriters are gonna face a lot of challenge because वो एक रहता है. But जैसे for instance, I'll just give you an example. I was working on a ad copy for one of our ads with my TA. And we came up with ideas. जैसे लिखा तुमने लिखा कि write 5 ideas for an ad copy. वो दे देगा ही. तो उसमें तड़का थोड़ा मिर्ची थोड़ा
Indianize करना या
थोड़ा सा वो इंडियनाइज करना थोड़ा सा वो आपको कॉल देने पड़ेंगे.
So that's the writer probably and you're the editor.
Yeah.
But when it comes to work, that's it.
So राइटर की जॉब खत्म होगी बट थिंकर की आएगी.
हाँ.
देखो थिंकर एआई नहीं कर सकता. उसको तो प्रॉम्प्ट देना पड़ेगा ना. बिना प्रॉम्प्ट के वो ही कांट वर्क. So अब I think people should be focusing on more like content thinkers than content writers.
Yeah. और जैसे content creator आ गए हैं, content thinker भी आ गए.
Content thinkers are.
Yeah, great.
हाँ एक difference. But I'm telling you, AI is going to be the future. What?
Definitely. We are seeing that already.
It's fighting it.
हाँ. Rather make it a friend.
And I'm very surprised that इतनी जल्दी एक tectonic shift आ गया है. मतलब we just what 25-30 years back only we got internet. Now we've got another invention which is gonna change the entire game.
I was there. It was long there. It's just that it had to just roll out completely into the world and just wow. Your current obsession.
Current obsession.
Yeah.
Parshuram.
Who's your favorite author?
Kaigo Higashima.
What's the most nerve-wracking thing? First draft or first review?
First draft.
Pen and paper or typing?
Typing.
Your weirdest writing habit?
It's not a writing habit. It's basically just me being weird, which is I like to have munchies.
Okay.
You know, whenever I'm stressed out.
Okay.
And I think that's a lot of people.
Yeah, that's Laura. That's me.
That's, yeah.
A film you can watch 10 times.
The Dark Knight.
What's the weirdest DM you have got?
Weirdest. I am Kalki. No, I'm serious. I got one which is like I am Kalki, worship me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So did you? Okay, one literary character you hate.
One thing I hate.
Hmm.
I think I never understood Scarlett O'Hara from Gone the Wind. I
Hmm.
think it's a very very
Hate-worthy.
Yeah, I don't like. I don't know why people like it. So
If a fan tattooed a line from your book, which line would make it?
if a fan tattooed my line,
A line from your book, which line should it
that
be?
I don't remember any lines of it.
I knew it.
I don't.
I'm Kalki.
I am Kalki.
One thing people assume about you that's untrue.
That I'm a backstabbing man.
Haha.
वो शक्ल से दिखता है थोड़ा शायद से I don't know.
They can ask me.
But yeah, but
Demystifying this.
demystifying.
Okay.
So that is
That is answer. Great. Thank you so much, Kevin.
Thanks.
Thank you for being on the show. Thank you.